What's the meaning of biologist? Biologist. Biologist.
Biologist. Biologist. A biologist is a scientist who studies living organisms and their interactions with each other and the environment. They explore the natural world, seeking to understand the mechanisms that govern the behavior and physiology of plants, animals, and microbes. The study of biology encompasses a wide range of areas, from genetics and molecular biology to ecology and evolutionary biology. Biologists may work in academic or government research laboratories, biotechnology or pharmaceutical companies, environmental consulting firms, or non-profit organizations. Their work helps us better understand the world around us, and often has practical applications in fields such as agriculture, medicine, and conservation.